Now, FMCG major Hindustan Unilever has revised the prices of major products such as Dove, Lux, Rin as well as Vim by as much as 4 to 10% as it hopes to offset the high royalty payment to Unilever. Navneet joins in with more details. Navneet, what really does this mean on the volume front as well?
Well, Megha, at first it pretty much came as a surprise because at a time when volume growth has been moderating and we've seen a couple of brokerages also downgrading the stock post the December quarter earnings. But after speaking to analysts, if you look at the price hike that's happened in the soaps and detergents segment, so if you look at the segment on standalone basis, it has been doing well for the company in past couple of quarters. So what dented the volume growth in the last quarter was actually the personal care segment, and well, the revised royalty hike will take place from the month of February, so that will be reflected in the March quarter earnings. So analysts are of the view that the price hike which has been taken in the soaps and detergent segment will not impact the volume growth. In fact, it will actually help the company to offset the additional royalty payout which the company will be seen in the March quarter. Plus, from this it also indicates that the company is now focusing more on pricing other than volume growth, because the increase in prices will result in increased top line as well.